Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a Halloween video. I'm going to try out this Joker look. It seems a bit easy, but this is my first ever Halloween makeup. I don't know whether it is gonna turn out good, bad. I'm really not sure, but however it is gonna turn out, I am still gonna upload it because I want to. Because if I don't try it, I wouldn't know whether it would be good or bad. So even if it's bad, even if I don't look like a joke, I'm still gonna post it because I have these double cheeks. It won't look good on me, I'm very sure, because let's see. Throughout the video I'm not gonna talk because there is nothing as such to explain in that, and if I keep talking the video will be too long, and I don't want these Halloween videos to be too long. I just want to upload a 10-minute or even less than that. It's been actually too late that I'm filming these Halloween videos. I had to film these last week and I had planned a lot of Halloween videos, 3 to 5 Halloween videos, but my paint came late, my backdrops came late. Not even the backdrops were important, but the paint came late from Amazon, and I don't even know whether these paint are gonna work out or not. I ordered this paint from Amazon. The pans are so tiny, so thin. I at least thought it would be so deep, but it's not, and it took around more than 2 weeks to come. So my main thing was this: I had to have paint for my make face paint because the maroon one is really expensive, and I didn't want to invest anything in a expensive makeup. Firstly, because I don't know whether I will be continuing this. I want to actually, but let's see how it is gonna turn out. And I don't have a Joker outfit. They are very expensive on Amazon. Even in the Halloween stores they are too expensive, and I don't want, and I'm not gonna wear the Joker outfit throughout the year or in my rest of my life, so I don't want that expensive outfit. So I got this shirt from Shein for a cheap uh, price, and then I got a jacket, red jacket. It is a very good jacket. I got it from Namshi. That is a good jacket that I can wear anytime, and I'm using these paint for the first time, so I don't know actually how much time it is gonna take to dry, because I will surely set it with a powder eyeshadow. I don't have a maroon palette, anything like that. Later on, maybe if I'm good at it, I might invest in it, but now I'm not gonna use. I'm gonna use my normal eyeshadows. Maybe I'll use liquid lipstick to do the lip thingy. Let's see. So let's just dive in the video. So yeah guys, this was my attempt to do the Joker look. I really don't know, is this okay, is it fine, I'm really not sure, but I'm okay with it because it is my first time. I don't know whether the depth, all that is good or not, I'm not sure, but I just tried it. If you liked it, give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes guys, I'll see you in my next Halloween video. Bye.